Okay, so this looks crazy, but I just want to show you guys the setup on how I'm going to be creating one of the prosthetics for my Halloween look. I have the gauze that I'm using because I will be a mummy. It just needs to dry. I'll show you guys that at another time, but I want an eyeball hanging. Here's an eyeball. Here we go. Here's an eyeball. I ordered these from Amazon. I did not realize that they were halved. I mean, it kind of works out because I don't want it to be too heavy. So all I did was glue two halves together. I did not use the same color. It doesn't really matter. But I just used some nail glue. Glue them together. This is what we got. So I'm going to be using the gray side. The brown side is where I'm going to be attaching the tendons or ligaments or whatever. It's cotton, y'all. It's cotton. So I'm just going to... This was just a cotton ball. I'm just going to roll it out. I'm probably not going to be talking through the whole thing, so just shut up. I'm tired. It's Saturday. It's raining again, as every fucking Saturday is. So we're going to go into my Monster liquid latex. Also on Amazon. I'll just link everything in the description box using my Amazon affiliate link. So I get a little change. And I do have these. These are bait worms. Can also be used as Halloween worms. So these will be my maggots. I'm gonna pop this open. This is old. It's probably dry. I haven't used it since. Ew. Oh! Okay. Wasn't expecting that. But maybe I could just use that. So I'm going to just dip this in the latex. I do have some disposable wedges here. I'm probably going to turn this light off, see if it makes a difference. Okay. It's probably a little better for you guys to see. Now you guys can see the little blob. I'm going to then take this sponge. I'm just going to fan it out. Little thin. So I'm just pulling that up. Got it right there. My hands are probably going to get messy with the latex, but that's fine. I just want it like that.
Pull up, Rusty.
This is what it should be used. So this piece is a little thicker. I'm just going to go ahead. And if you've seen my video from last year, I'm just going to saturate the cotton. I'm not really worried about how messy it gets. It's going to be a very messy thing. That's exactly how I want it. I'm just going to go ahead. I'm just going to add more latex, saturate it a bit, and I'll show you guys what it looks like.
up Rusty.